Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to draw circle in Google Docs. So to draw circle, click on Insert, then click on Drawing, New. Now here click on Shape, hover cursor to Shapes, and here select Oval. Now press and hold Shift key and draw circle. Type text, click on text box. Click inside in circle and type your text. Testing. Now to remove this background color for this circle, click here, fill color, and select transparent. You can make big size for your text. Now click on Save and Close. So we have this circle with text, and if you want to edit, double click on it, and here you can make more changes, like you want to make this line different color. So click on this border color and here select your desired color. And to change border weight, click here and select another size like 4px, and again click on Save and Close. So this way guys, you can draw circle in Google Docs. Thanks for watching.